A monogram is a motif made up of 2 or more letters to form one symbol. The purpose is to distill a brand, person, or even a country into a graphic that best represents them. In this video, we will talk about what is a monogram, its history, how to use them, and some awesome examples. If you're a beginner designer and are looking for some logo designs and fonts to get inspired, be sure to check out Envato Elements. They have a growing library with so many assets. The first recorded monogram appeared on coins and dates back to 350 BC in Greece. Monograms have also been used as Christian symbols. The Chi-Rho monogram is formed of the first 2 letters of the Greek word for Christ and was used as part of military standards. In the Middle Ages, artists and craftsmen used monograms to sign their work. In the Victorian period, high-class society would use monograms as a symbol of their status. Monograms have also been used as symbols of resistance. In Poland, during the war, the PW was used, also known as the anchor, because of the characteristic shape. Monograms started out as a practical mode of identification that evolved into a brand design tool for companies. A few examples of contemporary monograms are the famous LV logo for Louis Vuitton, created to prevent the production of fake designer luggage. Coco Chanel has the interlocked C's logo, which is a symbol of high-class elegance. Monogram designs have had many different uses across our history, and we can classify the types of monograms as crown, used by royals around the world, and these are applied to clothing and royal seals. Brands, often used by brands with longer names that choose to only use initials as monograms, or a combination of 2 or 3 letters. And personal. These personal monograms are very popular at weddings, for invitations, cakes, and clothing. So how do you write a monogram? For soon-to-be or married couples, the monogram contains the bride's first initial, the couple's last name, and the groom's first initial. For instance, for the names Andrea and Mark Baker, the monogram would be ABM. Monogramming for women. The monogram should include her first, middle, and last name initials. For instance, for Andrea Marie Jones, the monogram should be AJM. Traditionally, a woman's maiden initials can be used even after marriage. For instance, if Andrea married Mark Baker, the monogram would be ABJ. Monogramming for men. Some people prefer to use a slightly different order. The first, middle, and last name initials. For Mark Thomas Smith, the monogram would be MTS. It is also possible to use the last name in the second position, so the monogram will be MST. Monogramming for children. The same rule is followed for children. The order is first, last, and middle name initials. For instance, for Andrea Elizabeth Fisher, the monogram would be AFE. There are many types of monogram arrangements and monogram styles. When it comes to styles, make sure that you're following your brand vision. The most popular monogram arrangements are the initial style monogram. It's just a 1-letter monogram where only the initial of the company or name is used. The single-letter monogram can also have decorative flourishes depending on the style you would like to achieve. The block style is popular for 3-letter monograms. This style has all the letters the same height and width. The traditional style is popular for 3-letter monograms and is used mostly for names. The initials on the sides are the first and middle name initials, while the middle letter represents the last name. Both initials on the sides are slightly smaller to emphasize the last name. The stacked style works best for 2 or 3-letter monograms. There can be a first name and last name, or the first name of both persons stacked on top of each other. The interlocking monogram style is mainly used with fonts that have flourishes. That way, these elements touch each other. The circle monogram style works great for 2-letter monograms and 3-letter monograms. The characters are inside a circle, or they can be shaped to take the form of a circle. The diamond monogram style works the same way as the circle monogram. The characters can fit within a diamond shape or can take the shape of a diamond. The split letter monogram consists of a small space overlapping the initial character. This space can contain the complete word of what the initial stands for. So to make a monogram, use the brand name, or if you're designing monograms for personal use, make sure you remember the monogram definition. Use 2 or more letters as the base of your design. Then, you can get creative as to how you want the letters to merge or interlock. There isn't a wrong or right way to do it, just make sure that it makes sense and aligns with your brand's ideals. The best software for designing monograms would be Adobe Illustrator or any other vector-based software, as it allows you to deconstruct, merge, cut, and interlock letters. Remember to check out Envato Elements if you're looking for quick monogram templates or fonts, and you can find all kinds of assets there. From all of us at Envato, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.